और ब्रेक के बाद आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। अब आपको खबर दक्षिण भारत से बताते हैं। तमिलनाडु में इस साल होने वाले विधानसभा चुनाव से पहले राजनीतिक सरगर्मियां तेजी पर हैं। राज्य सरकार ने इसी बीच पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री जयललिता के घर को मेमोरियल में तब्दील कर दिया है। 50,000 स्क्वायर फीट वाले इस मेमोरियल का उद्घाटन आज तमिलनाडु के मुख्यमंत्री ई पलानीस्वामी करेंगी। इस मेमोरियल में आपको बता दें कि दिवंगत AIADMK सुप्रीमो MG रामचंद्रन और जयललिता की प्रतिमा भी लगाई गई है। ये मेमोरियल करीब 80 करोड़ की लागत से बनाया गया है। मेमोरियल के उद्घाटन के बाद तमिलनाडु के मुख्यमंत्री और उप मुख्यमंत्री जो है वो AIADMK पार्टी के जो कार्यकर्ता हैं, वर्कर्स हैं, उनको संबोधित भी करेंगे। आपको ये भी बता दें कि आज ही के दिन जयललिता की करीबी रही सहयोगी शशिकला की जेल से रिहाई भी हो रही है। लेकिन आपको ये बता दें कि फिलहाल शशिकला को कोरोना के कारण उन्हें अस्पताल में भर्ती कराया गया है। उनकी आधिकारिक तौर पर जेल से रिहाई तो होगी, लेकिन फिलहाल वो अस्पताल में ही भर्ती रहेंगी। और ये जो पूरा मेमोरियल है, जयललिता मेमोरियल है, उसके बारे में आपको विस्तार से बताएंगी हमारी सहयोगी तनिमा बिस्वास, जो इस वक्त हमारे साथ न्यूज रूम से लाइव जुड़ रही है। जो तनिमा।
Right, Shukriya, Shweta. In fact, let us take our viewers through what exactly is happening today. This is, of course, symbolically very important because Jayalalitha's memorial is now being inaugurated, and as we know, this is something which is being planned in a mega scale by AIADMK. Let me also go across to my colleague Mugilan, who is standing by at Chennai, who is at the venue where the inauguration will take place in about an hour or so from now. We know it's a big ticket event for the AIADMK. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister himself is going to inaugurate this memorial. Both him as well as the Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu are going to address the cadre today. And as we know that this is being done with at a time when the elections are scheduled for the state of Tamil Nadu in just a few months from now, as we know that the state is going into elections, and which is the reason why the AIADMK has also planned this leading as part of the campaign lead up. If you can go across to Mugilan, who is at Chennai, and we can actually look at some of the preparations which are there. We will go across to Mugilan in a bit, but as you can see that the preparations are all underway, and this is happening very significantly. On your window, as you can see that Shashikala, ex and late Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and former AIADMK Supremo Jayalalitha's close aide Shashikala is going to be released from the jail today. This is of course procedural. She's still in the hospital due to COVID. But what's interesting is that we have to keep in mind that Sasikala factor ahead of Tamil Nadu elections. The fact being that she is being released from jail. She'll hopefully be out of the hospital in a few days from now. And the fact that she is being released just ahead of the Tamil Nadu elections, whether or not she's going to join forces with the BJP, whether or not there are of course factions within the AIADMK, as we know. AIADMK officially has clearly said there is no place for Sasikala in AIADMK, and has clearly said that Sasikala will not be included even when she is out. Let me go across to my colleague Mugilan now, who is joining me from the venue of that memorial. That's the first point of action that we are looking at in Chennai, where in a short while from now, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy is going to unveil that memorial of Jayalalitha. It is her house in Chennai, which has been converted into a memorial now. Mugilan, let me go across to you and show some of the preparations around you at the moment. It's of course the big ticket event for AIADMK, but also very important to keep in mind that this is also something in terms of optics that AIADMK would like to capitalize on in the lead up to the elections.
Definitely, yes. We are at Jayalalitha's memorial here in Beach Road. It's a grand memorial which has been built at the cost of 79.75 crores, and the entire memorial is sprawling about 50,000 square feet. And this situated right behind MGR's memorial, and you can see already tens and thousands of people have already gathered here. Several thousands of ADMK cadres have already gathered here, and as per the communication from the Tamil Nadu state government, 11 o'clock, the chief minister and all other senior ministers and ADMK leaders will be here at the memorial, and the inauguration will happen at 11 a.m. and following that, both the leaders will be addressing the ADMK cadres, and you can see the kind of arrangements that has been already done, and you can see the structure. The structure is themed as Phoenix. That is how ADMK cadres used to address Jayalalitha. So the theme of the entire structure is Phoenix, and you can see the arrangement, the very grand, elaborate arrangements has been made at the memorial here. You can see her place has been completely decorated with flowers here, and already thousands of people have gathered here, and senior ministers also have already started gathering at the memorial here, and very elaborate security measures has been done, and the entire beach road stretch has been closed for especially for this event. At least till 1 p.m. is what we are being told. At least till 1 p.m. the road, the Marina Beach Road, will be closed because there are tens and thousands of people who have already started thronging the Marina Beach here. So yes, a very grand celebrations has been planned by the ADMK, and this is just ahead of the elections, and more importantly, Sashikala is also getting released today, and we already know earlier it was scheduled that she might be reaching the memorial after her release, but as she is now undergoing treatment at the hospital, her arrival to Tamil Nadu has been postponed to the first week of February is what we are being told. But yes, in run-up to the elections, ADMK not leaving any stones unturned, and they are doing everything to grab the attention of the people, and you can see the thousands, as I said earlier, tens and thousands of ADMK cadres have already gathered here, and this will be a morale booster for the ADMK cadres also, because there were signs of rift between both the leaders, but both the leaders will be appearing in front of the cadres, and then they will be sending a message. So a very detailed elaborate measures has been, very detailed preparations has been done. Both the leaders will be addressing, and they will be speaking to the cadres about the need to win the election. So yes, in the run-up to the elections, ADMK is very meticulously planning everything, and they are not leaving any stones unturned to get the attention of the ADMK cadres and general public.
Right. Mugilan, thank you so much.